This year's Municipal Excellence Awards honor 5 cities that are putting creative ideas to use for their communities. The 2022 AWC Municipal Excellence Award winners are the City of Kenmore for its ARPA innovations. Kenmore is recognized for its innovative approach to distributing American Rescue Plan Act funds. The city dedicated $1 million of its $6.4 million ARPA allocation to launch a direct cash assistance program for low-income residents called Kenmore Cares. The city embarked on an ambitious community outreach campaign where city staff doorbelled, mailed postcards, and held citywide events at the library, senior center, community clubs, vaccine clinic, and other locations. Plus, a fun and creative online survey tool garnered widespread community input on funding priorities. Kenmore Cares successfully served hundreds of households across the city. The program incorporated diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts throughout, using community listening sessions, new outreach approaches, translation services, and funds targeted to serve Kenmore's lowest income residents. The City of Pasco, for increasing housing access and opportunities. Pasco is recognized for its significant strides to address the growing housing crisis in Washington by increasing housing access and opportunities. After adopting its 20-year comprehensive plan, city staff began utilizing a variety of local, regional, and state resources to identify practical housing policy solutions. The city adopted reforms eliminating restrictive zoning policies while increasing housing opportunities that improve mobility options. Pasco enacted code amendments, increasing lot size flexibility, allowing accessory dwelling units citywide, and re-allowing missing middle housing on residentially zoned parcels. Additionally, they added density and flexibility incentives to allow more housing near public transit and facilities. Pasco utilizes community input to identify practical, innovative, and actionable steps to address the housing needs of their growing city. The City of Port Townsend and Jefferson County for the Intergovernmental Collaborative Group. The city and its local county, port, and PUD have a long history of working together, but their efforts were sometimes inefficient. When the COVID-19 pandemic brought new challenges, it became clear that they needed to work better together. They ultimately formed a new Intergovernmental Collaborative Group, or ICG, composed of 16 elected officials from all 4 agencies. They gathered community groups and focused on 6 local priorities, and then adopted an action plan using community guidance and CARES Act funding. The ICG has evolved to tackle a range of other issues, including economic development and climate change. And finally, the cities of Walla Walla and College Place for the Walla Walla Valley Blue Zones Project. Walla Walla and College Place are recognized for the Walla Walla Valley Blue Zones Project, a community-led, evidence-based public health initiative that is improving health outcomes throughout the valley. The 2 cities joined forces after a community site visit indicated a need to invest in community well-being. Meeting and survey data helped inform the BZP's Strategic Implementation Plan, which takes a policy, systems, and environmental approach to helping the community thrive by making healthier choices easier. The BZP also emphasizes health equity, working directly with community partners to engage historically under-resourced neighborhoods. The community is seeing vast enhancements to community pride and social connectedness, traction on policies and programs, and increased awareness of health and well-being. A hearty congratulations and thank you to these 5 winners and to everyone who is working to improve the quality of life for communities in Washington.